DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector boy.
Gang, gang, gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. Done back in the lab, you know. Yeah, man, until we're there with Mr. Darky himself, you know. Mr. Riches right or is wrong. You see me, I say, Mr. Richer than yesterday, darker than last night. Yeah, man, we're there with Mr. Kraff. Then, you know, and they want to name Find Peace. So I check it out and see what the dog I deal with. Yeah, man, gang. You see me, I say, but before jumping, hit the like and subscribe button. You see me, I say, we're only 2,800 away from 10K, gang. Help your boy get there. Do the right thing. Code is life. You see me, I say, yeah, man, I be dropping these mad reaction, these bangers on the head top. At least you can do it, the like and subscribe button. But yeah, man, tell me there with Kraff, the one of them Find Peace. So I check it out and see what dog I deal with. You don't know, Kraff is crazy when it comes to tracks. He's been dropping mad bangers and mad hits. He's on a roll, man. Kraff basically don't miss. You see me? So we'll check it out. The one of them Find Peace, gang. Let's get it. The visuals on this, man, is crazy peaceful. And wait, Barbados that was? Yeah, it was a Barbados. No, there was multiple flags. All right, never mind. Yeah, man, and the beat is just so serene. Come on.
Yo, slingers. Mama said me got too many sins. Mommy said it's in too many sins. Pain make me pop too many pills. My girl said me got too many bitch.
Mama said me have too many sins. Easy.
The bank said me got too many mills. Panavilla don't have figure with too many bricks. Can't feel the
bank said me got too many mills. Don't have to go with that. I got too many bricks.
Too many hits, tele-ups, them so we got few everything. It up is if we find peace up a Guyana.
Tele-ups, so we have few everythings. You see me? Few of them things are heavy, you know, be heavy.
Find peace up a Guyana. It up is if we find peace. It up is if we find peace. It up is if we find peace up a Guyana. Find peace up a Guyana.
Guyana, a dog there now, come. I know, say, alright, I know me this year, alright.
Different flag. Peace up a Guyana. So me find peace up a Guyana. It up is if we find peace. The earth kick like Cyrax. Demon girl from China. Gold chain shine like ice rock. Private jet here, smoke with the pilot.
Hey yo, I don't think I listen to the dog, you know. This nigga, you know, when it come to these type of beats, you know, man, when it come to like samples, bro. These slow R&B type samples, bro. The Jamaican, the slow Jamaican type beat, bro. Like, come on, bro. This nigga Kraff nasty, bro. You gotta take this on top. Come on, bro. You have to take this on top. Listen to the man. The woman said me got too many sins. The bank said me got too many bricks. You know, the bank said me got too many mills. They don't pan the villa with that filler. I got too many bricks. Listen, this is swag. This is a vibe. Come on. I tell me if we go find peace at Guyana, because I know it's somewhere different to that, you know. I say Barbados, Guyana, down there. Easy, see, yeah, I'll see it. Okay, yeah. This is the Guyana flag, America flag, and I think this is the Carib. I'm not sure what the CC stands for.
Yo, slingers.
I'm saying CC stands for Carib. Don't even quote me on that one. I was just,
Mama said me got too many sins. Mommy said it's in too many sins. Pain make me pop too many pills.
Mama said I got too many sins. Mama said me the sin are too many sins. The pain make me pop too many pills.
The girl said me got too many bitch. The bank said me got too many mills. Panavilla don't have figure with too many bricks. Can't feel got too many hits. Tele-ups, them so we got few everything.
A few everything's in apps, be able to self. I'm telling you.
So find peace up a Guyana. Find peace up a Guyana. It up is if find peace. It up is if find peace. It up is if find peace
up a Guyana.
Up a Guyana.
Oh, nice, no?
Find peace up a Guyana. It up is if find peace up a Guyana. So me find peace up a Guyana.
No, come in now.
It up is if find peace. The earth kick like Cyrax. Demon girl from China. Gold chain shine like ice rock. Private jet here, smoke with the pilot.
Bumba Gucci kick like Cyrax. I want to hear about that demon girl from China.
Me a back white like rice pot. Money clear as pie I tap.
Me a back white like ice pot, like rice pot.
No no sight that. Dope if you find peace up a Guyana. Find peace up a Guyana. It up if you find peace up a Guyana. Find peace. Find peace. Dope if you find peace. It up if you find peace. It up if you
come on, no man, this a vibe right here.
Dope if fine. Come on, I say me got too many sins. Who me say this in a too many sins.
Got churchy dog there, you know. Boy, and easy in front of one chapel in white church.
Me got too many sins.
Yeah, big breastly church dog there.
Who me say this in a too many sins. The pain make me pop too many pills. My girl said me got too many bitch. The bank said me got too many bills. Fan a villa down a vega with too many bricks. Sin I can't feel got too many. Stelly ups them say we got few everything. I got in chat with you.
Can't feel dog, I have too many. Come on.
Prove anything.
Gunshot use and prove things, you easy, no?
Send a killer panic crime figure slow everything. Anytime you see me bop, I must make up a bounce. Slingers make you all club a jump. Eat up on my waist, I'm a power.
Yo, this so smooth and crazy. Kraff? This nigga make lo-fi dance or music, bro.
What's up? You don't say we find peace up a Guyana. Find peace up a Guyana. You don't say fine. You don't say find peace up a Guyana. So we find peace up a Guyana. Find peace. Still a bang.
Kraff a rock star, man. You see me? I say big up Kraff. You see me? The way I bring an artist, man, I can know say artist and look every artist we touch and say go big. All of them blow. You see me?
Like teleport us, and anywhere me go the blinky teleport now. Sin alone, come and know where the port now. Mama, Christian.
So sin already can know where Pope no, or the blood lead. Where Pope no Kraff.
Sniff white, transfer me not choke good. Peace. Find peace. Peace.
Oh, blood, please find peace. I know. Kraff! I know that Kraff so I give a restless soul, me G. You see me I say? A restless mind, you see me I say? But I find peace, me G. Don't worry yourself, man. Just pray to your father, man. Turn to God, man. You see me? Walk in the light. You sometimes step out of darkness. You see? But darkness not always bad, you know. Darkness can mean depth. You see me I say? Not for me, evil. You see me I say? That's how you look on things. But anyway, gang, let me know one thing about the one there, gang. You see me I say? I feel like you should have some love and support making most of the dancing, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, man, drop your also drop a request so you can get your shout out. You see me I say? Let me know what your favorite part was. Beast, Louis, melody, visuals. Yo, this one is crazy banger. And these are the different type of banger. When I say banger, I don't mean hype up, you know, it's a banger as in yo. This is a playlist song. This is you can play this at your house, in your car, anywhere you're doing. This is definitely a playlist track. You see me I say? And that's the thing with Kraff song them. You can play them at the crib on low, and this is just like a vibe, bro. This is where Kraff getting them. You see me I say? Kraff is gonna become a household name. Remember I told you that. You see me I say? But anyway, gang, the more thing about the one if you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Like you know, so they dance and you know, you see me? Yeah man. Let me know if your part was beats melody. You see me? Visuals, let me know. Let's get a dialogue going. Also, gang, only through 2,800 away from 10K. So hit the like and subscribe button, gang. Help people get there. You don't know, y'all be active in the comments and like. So I appreciate y'all. You see me? I'm saying. You don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.